Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. I'm down in the layout room again, but still no trains running. I'm still working here. May not look like much, but I've got quite a lot of work done this winter. No trains have run here on the layout since October. 4 months. Pretty much. Yeah, November, December, January, February. We're into March now. I'll be another week or two here yet. That's if I get a move on. That's been one of the problems. I'm not working at it constantly. Doing a lot of other stuff too. Anyway, for Trains on Tuesday this week, we're going back to the UK. And the 17th of November. That day, Roy and I decided we would ride the Lumo train non-stop from King's Cross, London to Newcastle Central. And so we headed off down to London early in the morning. Now Roy has a habit, he's very good at knowing train times, and he has a habit of getting off one train, rushing, getting on another train, go. And that's pretty much how our day went. And I never got a picture, not one picture, not any video whatsoever of the Lumo, which is a shame because it's a beautiful looking train. Oh well, get it another time I guess. Anyhow, along the way that day, Sir Nigel Gresley, the A4, was making I believe the debut run from Overhaul, and it was turned out in a beautiful wartime black. And the way the train schedule worked, we had time to get off our train at Stevenage and wait for the A4 to come in. It was going north, we were going south. Get some shots of the A4 and then catch the next train into London just in time to get on the Lumo. And we did that in the pouring rain at Stevenage. We went on up to Newcastle, and I think we saw the A4 again. We passed it somewhere. Must have passed it even if we didn't see it. But anyway, on the way back from Newcastle, we passed it just north of York. So we decided to stop at Doncaster and record it going through Doncaster. It was not stopping at Doncaster, so it was a nice fast run through. And we did that. And then I think we passed it again before we got back to where we were going. But anyway, that was the day, and it rained all day. And I hope you enjoy the pictures and the footage. There's not a great deal of it, but I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you'll join me again next week for another Trains on Tuesday. Bye for now, everyone. This is evening, and although my coffee cup says keep calm and drink coffee, I'm drinking hot chocolate. Okay, bye for now.